Hispanic Americans have been especially hard hit by the coronavirus. Novant Health Mint Hill Medical Center has taken steps to ensure that Mint Hill's Spanish-speaking populations have easy access to critical healthcare resources. Mary Beth Foster reports. These are the Mint Hill Times.
I'm here with Brandon Rios, Patient Access Supervisor at Novant Health Mint Hill Medical Center. Brandon, how long have you been here at Novant Mint Hill?
Well, I've been here at Mint Hill Medical Center about 18 months now. Our team is in the admitting department, so checking in and arriving outpatient procedures, like that be surgeries or radiology procedures, as well as we have a team in the emergency department, which is the first face you see when you're checking in. They're the ones that are arriving in the system, and complete bedside registration in the back as well.
In your experience here, do you find that COVID-19 is affecting the Hispanic population disproportionately or in a different way?
Yeah, the Hispanic population is definitely being affected as everybody else is. It's a little bit more complicated for the Spanish population because it's not as simple just picking up a phone and calling a number. So a lot of them may have some type of hesitation to come to the hospital, but when they're here in the hospital, it's redirecting them and making sure that they have the same care as anybody else would, and letting them know that they are taken care of just like everybody else, and making sure that they know that they are a part of this community, they are a part of this family. And the reception has been great, and the community knows that we're here for them, and it's something I'm very proud of.
We have a significant Hispanic population here in Mint Hill. What are some of the specific challenges that population faces in getting care?
Yeah, I think the biggest obstacle that we face in the Spanish community is the language barrier, right? And because of that language barrier, there is some misinformation that's being spread, or a lack of resources. So something that we pride ourselves here at Novant as a whole, but especially in Mint Hill Medical Center, is that when a patient presents themselves, that language barrier is no longer a barrier. We're going to make sure that they have all the information that they need to redirect them to where they need to go. We have all the resources to answer those questions.
Brandon, what resources are available here at Novant Health Mint Hill Medical Center for people whose first language is Spanish?
Yeah, so I think one of the biggest resources we have right now, especially with the current situation that we have going on with this COVID, is that we do have handouts, that we do have pamphlets in Spanish, so the patients can be informed as to exactly what's going on, what the expectations are coming to the hospital to keep them safe, and where to go if we're not the best stopping point for them to get that care that they need. We have virtual options. We have an interpreter on a stick, is what we call it. On an iPad, we have obviously interpreters that we can call, and something that I know that we're super proud of here is that we have team members that go through the bilingual linguistic competency program to get the Se Habla Español under their badge and give the patient that face-to-face translation that we can provide them here, and that definitely gives them that sense of security and comfort that we want to provide everybody.
Please click subscribe to stay up to date on the latest Mint Hill news and information.